Did you know that high-quality dubbing significantly expands the global reach of your content, enabling fresh viewers from around the world, myself included, to connect with your project? But did you also know that language choice is critical when you're trying to maximize your content's reach? Let's discover the many benefits of Portuguese dubbing and why it's one of the right languages for your content. If you have already released content in English, then Portuguese is an excellent additional language. Portuguese is the 7th most spoken language in the world, with over 245 million speakers. Expanding your audience to Portugal and Brazil, as well as Portuguese speakers in Angola, can dramatically increase your global viewership. In 2022 alone, around $2.2 billion was spent on Portuguese language video advertising, and that's just in Brazil. This is why Portuguese dubbing isn't just a popular choice. It's a strategic investment with substantial returns. It gives advertisers the opportunity to target Portuguese-speaking regions by placing ads on your videos. Portuguese dubbing is an investment with the power to dramatically increase your project's profits and views. But how successful can Portuguese dubbing be, and what sets it apart? Nasta, a popular Russian YouTuber who dubs her videos in multiple languages, has even seen some of her Portuguese dubs receive more views than the original version. The initial version of this video received 160 million views, but the Portuguese dub was even more popular, with 268 million views. The best part? Nasta didn't need to make more content to achieve an extra 167.5% of her viewership. She just dubbed the video she already had. But it's not just YouTube where dubbing shines. Platforms like Netflix use localization to attract more viewers too. In fact, we checked between the 4th and 10th of March in 2024 and found that 8 out of the top 10 shows in Brazil were non-Portuguese, highlighting just how high the demand is for localized content. Ultimately, if you are not targeting the Portuguese-speaking market with dubbed versions of your content, you are missing a trick. So, the potential of dubbing your videos in Portuguese is enormous when done right. Partnering with a trusted dubbing provider like Voquent is the key to unlocking these opportunities. Simply choose the option that works best for your requirements and budget, and they handle all the dubbing work. Or book a free channel review to learn more about their services, how to skyrocket your views, and the best languages for your content at Voquent.com.